Integrating Uniswap pool fees is a crucial step for liquidity providers and developers working with the Uniswap protocol. To get started, you need to understand what Uniswap pool fees are and how they work. Uniswap pool fees are a percentage of the trading fees earned by liquidity providers for providing liquidity to a particular trading pair. First, you need to have a basic understanding of the Uniswap protocol and its smart contracts. The Uniswap protocol is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade Ethereum-based tokens. The protocol consists of a factory contract, a router contract, and a pair contract. The pair contract is responsible for managing the liquidity pool and calculating the fees. To integrate Uniswap pool fees, you need to interact with the Uniswap v2 protocol's pair contract. The pair contract has a function called fee to that allows you to set the fee recipient and the fee percentage. The fee percentage is a fraction of the total trading fees earned by the liquidity pool. To set the fee recipient and percentage, you need to call the setFee to function on the pair contract. This function requires the address of the fee recipient and the fee percentage as parameters. The fee percentage is represented as a fraction of the total trading fees, with 1 being 100%. For example, if you want to set the fee recipient to a specific address and the fee percentage to 5%, you would call the setFee to function with the address and the fee percentage as parameters. The fee percentage would be represented as 5 divided by 100, which is 0.05. Best practices for integrating Uniswap pool fees include setting a reasonable fee percentage that incentivizes liquidity providers to provide liquidity to your pool. A fee percentage that is too high may deter liquidity providers, while a fee percentage that is too low may not generate enough revenue. Another best practice is to set the fee recipient to a secure and trusted address. This is because the fee recipient will receive a percentage of the trading fees earned by the liquidity pool, and you want to ensure that these fees are received by a trusted party. In conclusion, integrating Uniswap pool fees requires a basic understanding of the Uniswap protocol and its smart contracts. By interacting with the pair contract and setting the fee recipient and percentage, you can earn a percentage of the trading fees earned by your liquidity pool. By following best practices, you can set a reasonable fee percentage and ensure that fees are received by a trusted party.